Can we do it then?
In today's India, drones are more than flying machines. They're tools shaping industries from agriculture to defense. But to fly them professionally, you need a DGCA-approved remote pilot certificate, the official drone pilot license that makes you legally capable of operating drones for commercial and industrial use. This license isn't just a piece of paper, it's proof of mastering aviation basics, air law, flight planning, safety protocols, and practical flying skills. The foundation every professional drone pilot needs to fly responsibly and confidently. That's where Garuda Aerospace's RPTO training steps in. As a DGCA-approved remote pilot training organization, Garuda trains aspiring pilots through structured courses that blend theory, simulators, and real flight practice, covering small to medium category drones, risk assessment, payload handling, and real-world operations. And the opportunities after certification are vast. Certified drone pilots are in demand across sectors like agriculture, land mapping, industrial inspection, infrastructure monitoring, surveillance, and filmmaking. In the defense and government ecosystem, trained pilots play a crucial role too. Strategic sectors are increasingly adopting unmanned aircraft for border surveillance, disaster response, and security missions, creating specialized roles for licensed operators and pushing institutions like BASF to open dedicated drone warfare training wings. Garuda's RPTO doesn't just equip pilots with flying skills. It builds careers. From precision agriculture and mapping to industrial analytics and public safety, trainees become ready to step into high-growth, future-ready job roles across India's booming drone economy. With RPTO training, India's next generation isn't just learning to fly, they're learning to lead the skies.